Coming to you crusty, dusty, and just tired. Hey y'all, happy Friday. Listen, your girl been MIA. I picked up the camera for the first time Monday, and it's Friday. Coming to you crusty, dusty, and just tired. But we made it through the week. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. If you cannot tell by my hair, I've had a week, honey. I have had a week. That is one of my things on my list to do today, is wash my hair. Thoroughly wash my hair, deep condition, the whole 9 yards. I usually do it on Sundays, but we're gonna do it today because it's dry. I see a few curls, but ain't many, baby. Yeah, I just felt like as I'm sitting here working, I was like, I haven't picked up the camera all week and I'm trying to get on this YouTube train. Come on, Ray, get it together. Get it together. So we're here live. Y'all getting the real deal. I feel like we're gonna become family. So you gotta take the good with the bad, the crusty and the dusty with the glitz and the glamour. So this is me pretty much every day, Monday through Friday. Also, I was supposed to ignore the blue in my glasses. These are my frames that I use when I'm working because I stare at the screen all day. So these just help me. But I was supposed to edit the vlog last night. It didn't happen. So today I'm going to sit down. Today I'm going to sit down and edit the vlog. Hopefully get it posted by Sunday. That's the goal, to get it posted by Sunday. And then start fresh. It's going to be a new week. We're going to reset. All the good things. Positive energy. If you have some positive energy, send it my way. Please and thank you. But I felt like I just needed to grab the camera, hop on, say hello, happy Friday, because it's Friday. It's the weekend, baby. It's the weekend. So I hope you guys enjoy the weekend. I'll probably check in a little later while I'm cleaning up, doing a little this and that. I don't have many errands today. I do need to go to H-E-B and get some groceries. I may take y'all along. We'll see. It's Friday. While you're here, don't forget, subscribe. Hit that button. Click it. Click it right now. Like, subscribe, comment, say hey, hi. We in this journey together. So let's get to know one another, okay? I love y'all. I hope y'all have a blessed and amazing day. And I'll talk to y'all later. Good morning and happy Sunday, guys. I am currently resetting for the week and I hope you guys are too. I'm currently streaming church, but I just wanted to hop on right quick and just tell you guys, I hope you guys have an amazing, 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 productive week. And I think it starts with Sunday. So whatever you're doing, if you're relaxing, if you are cleaning, prepping for the week, I just pray and hope that you guys have an amazing week. And I'll come on a little later because we have some things to do today. I'm currently cooking and I'm also streaming church right now. So I'm going to finish up watching the service and then I'll come back to you guys and we'll do a little chatting. Okay, so I'm back. I have a list of things I need to do today and I'm trying to get everything done by 4 o'clock. It's 12 o'clock right now. Let's see how much we get done. I need to wash clothes, wash our bed sheets. I also need to finish cooking. I typically juice on Sundays, so I'm just gonna do one type of juice this week since we'll be on vacation starting Friday. I don't want to juice too much and then we not drink it and it goes to waste. So I'm gonna just do one juice this week. I also need to edit some reels, edit a previous juice video that I did last week. It's been a week, y'all. It's been a week. So I'm just trying to get back into my consistency as far as getting things done. Okay, so for today's meal, I have some white beans cooking. They're still in the process. It's gonna take a few hours in a crock pot. But I have this going so we can have dinner tonight. White beans can be made in multiple ways. I'm from South Louisiana, so everyone does it a little different, but it's to your liking. I don't like as much pork. I don't really care for pork, so it's just easier for me to exclude the pork in mine. But in a lot of places down south, you'll see people adding pigtails and a lot of different salt meat and things like that, but we just do it over here like this. It's the flavor for me. As long as it has flavor, I'm all for it. So I forgot to update y'all, but your girl been working. We have the catfish that my boyfriend requested. We're having white beans with baked catfish. And then these are all of the ingredients. I have garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, black pepper, sea salt, and of course, some good old Tony's. So I'm gonna just throw this in the oven for about 20-30 minutes, and then we will be able to dig in. Okay, update on the beans. They are coming along so nicely. And this smell, when I tell you it smells so good in here, I'm so proud of myself. Okay, so we got the catfish. When I tell you it smells delightful in here, oh my God, it smells so good. But we're gonna have a little white beans with smoked sausage and some baked catfish. Let me know if this is a meal for y'all. Would y'all eat this together?